My dear precious, valuable viewers, I hope you're doing well. First of all, I revise Jollyphonies Group 1 and 2 sound. Then, inshallah, we will start Jollyphonies Group 3. The first sound of Jollyphonies Group 1 is A, T, I, Hmm. And the second group of Jollyphonics, the sounds are clicking k, kicking k. Next, e, r, d, d. Okay, next we will move toward Jollyphonics group 3. The first letter, first sound of Jollyphonics is of group 3 is, the letter name is G and the sound is g, g, g. Okay, dear kids, now we will start. Now we'll move toward picture description. Yes, dear kids, what you can say in that picture? Oh my god, here is a wasting of water. Here is a wash basin with open tap, and the water is drained down the wash basin. Boy, I think so. There is something in the wash basin, and the boy come. He has some tools from which he opened the wash basin and the water drain down the drain. That's why collection of water. There are a lot of insects also here. My dear kids, when you use water, save it. It is not good thing to play with water or waste water, because water is the essence for us, and it is a very important thing for life. Okay, next we will move toward story. What's the story behind this sound go? Zahra went to the basin early in the morning to brush her teeth. Brush your teeth is a good habit. Zahra opened the water tap in the basin and scattered the other things around. You see here? She opened the water tap, which blocked the water pipe. Asad came running, turned off the tap, and cleaned the pipe. The water gurgles down the drain. You see here? The water gurgle down the drain when opening a pipe. Wasting water is not a good thing, my dear kids. Okay, next we will start toward song. What's a song? What's a point behind this sound? Go. The water gurgle down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with the g. Yes. Dear kids, now we will move toward word building. We revise group Jollyphonic group 1 and 2 sound and add Jollyphonic group 3 sound g to make new words. G, e, egg, egg, p, egg, peg, d, egg, dig, g, app, gap, t, egg, tag. Yes, dear kid, what's the next? It's a time for action behind this sound. Spiral your hand down. You pretend your hand is like a water pipe, and you move your hand like water is gurgling down the drain, and you move your hand spirally downward and say g g g g g. Thank you so much, my dear kids. Inshallah, we'll meet on tomorrow. Next sound, next letter. Take care.